What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today I have this roast breadfruit recipe for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so first thing, they have two different types of breadfruit. They have the roast breadfruit and they have the boiling breadfruit. So this breadfruit is the roast breadfruit. So what I'm gonna do first is remove the stem from it. Then I am going to go ahead and make an X on the bottom of the breadfruit. After that, I'm going to place it on the stove and allow it to roast. So when one side is dark, you're going to turn it over until you get each side all roasted, just like this. So after you roast it, you're going to peel it. So you're going to allow it to cool, and then you're going to peel it. So just take your time and peel it. Just take your time and do your thing, okay? So roast breadfruit can be eaten just as it is, but you can also cut it up and fry it. So you can fry the breadfruit, or you can just eat the breadfruit just roasted. So what I did, I just fried some, and I ate some fried one and some roasted one with some cabbage and saltfish. So this is it guys, a very simple recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.